haul video, and my haul is basically a mini kitchen and lifestyle products haul. Now this is the first time that I'm going to film a haul video, and I wish and I hope that I do a good job. So now, how many of us have lusted over those cute little things that we get online on sugarbox.com or that are kept on display at all of these accessorized stores? But you know, sometimes we just give it a thought that, oh my god, this notebook is so cute, but is it worth spending $6.95 on? Don't take me on any of the price quotes or anything, I'm just giving you an example. So basically, whatever stuff you get at Accessorize and say Sugar Box and you know, all these places that you really want to lay your hands on it, but then they are like too expensive. You get it here at all these South Bombay markets at less than half their original prices and with a really good quality. So I'm going to cover 4 places wherein I got some tits and bits and a lot of cute little things from. So first is the Bhuleshwar Market at Cherry Road. Second is the Crawford Market. Then third is the Mangaldas Market. And fourth is the Abdul Rahman Street. So let's get started. And yeah, one disclaimer before we get started. None of these products are branded, but they are of a reasonably good quality. So if you really want to do some bulk shopping and see a lot of variety when it comes to these cute little pretty things, but you don't want to spend a lot, then continue watching. Okay, so firstly at the Bhuleshwar Market, you have this shop called A to Z Gruha Vastu Bhandar, wherein you have a crazy amount of variety when it comes to, you know, like spoons and forks, knives, cute mugs, and also bottles. So I laid my hands onto this cute little fruit basket, which was just for $100. Okay. Now I'm gonna go fast because I have lots to show you and I don't want to miss out on anything. Now, this is like a medicine box, or you can also use it as a jewelry box since it has compartments. Okay, and this is for $100. I have written the prices down so that you know it's convenient for you to judge how cheaper this is as compared to you know you getting it from any of your next door shops. Then I have this juice bottle with a straw, and this is for $145. And how cute is this? You can actually make a detox drink in this. Okay, then we have a specs cleaner. I've not yet opened it. I'm yet to try it, but basically you put the lens of your specs in between and you clean it. So this is basically microfiber cloth, and this was for $35. Now this is something very interesting. It's a fruit knife, and how cute is it? And the knife comes with this cover. Okay, so even if you keep it in your bag, you know, and you are hunting for something in your bag, you won't get a cut. So yeah, so this is a fruit knife. Okay. And yeah, the fruit knife is for $90. And then there is this cute set of Hello Kitty spoon and fork, which are like for 45 rupees each, so totally 90 rupees. And then I got these 2 pots, okay, because I'm planning to make a DIY lip balm at home, and if I do, I will naturally share how to do it with you on YouTube. So I wanted to store the lip balms in this, so these are like for $40, so $20 each. And now these are some seal clips, okay, so in case you're using food packets or snacks or wafers, chips, anything, and you don't want to take the pains to actually transfer it into a container, you can just clip and seal and your food will remain intact. So these are for $45. Yeah, and now this is like a coffee mug and it says my style, and isn't it really cute? So this is for, yeah, this is for 175 rupees. And this one is so good, okay? So it says I love Paris with an Eiffel Tower. Now it has a lid, okay, and it also has a spoon with a wooden Eiffel Tower on top of the spoon. So this is like super duper cute, and I really loved it at first sight. And this is for 195 bucks, but this is really worth 195 bucks. Okay, now coming to what I got from Crawford Market. So I visited this shop called Arif. Now Arif is known for, you know, getting all your baking equipments and all of that from. So I visited Arif for the same. So firstly I got this measuring cups and spoons set. So it has all the measurements, teaspoons, tablespoons, cups and everything. And this thing is only for 100 rupees. So yeah, it's totally worth it, and it's going to be useful for me for baking. Now this is a bread loaf baking tray, and I'm planning to make banana bread, so I think this would be helpful. And this was for 120 rupees. And this is a 1 kg cake baking tin, and this one is for 180 rupees. Now the only advantage of this tin is that once you bake the cake, it is detachable from the side, okay? So you can actually just detach the tin. Yeah, so once the tin comes out, it's easier to get the cake out. So yeah, it's easier to work with this as compared to the other baking tin. So that's my Crawford Market Arif haul. Okay, now I also got some really exciting stuff from the Mangaldas Market. Now I don't really know the name of the shop, but I can say that it was a shop near a really beautiful masjid at the Mangaldas Market. So this shop basically sells only purses, okay, and I got this purse from that shop. It is so nice. I really liked the print. And can you guess how much this bag is for? It's only for 250 rupees, okay? Now I've seen similar bags with cute prints at Lokhandwala. I've also seen it at the Irla Market, which are all famous junctions in Mumbai, you know, where you can shop from. And they were like for around 800 or 850 odd bucks. And this is for 250. And I also checked the zip and all of that, and it seemed to be really good. So I laid my hands onto it. And you can actually use it as a handbag when you're traveling, or if it's just a one-day trip. This is quite spacious. Secondly, I bought these two travel pouches. So, you know, you can carry your sport shoes in this while you're traveling. And this is also like a shoe pouch with some extra zips and sections for socks. So these are basically shoe pouches, and I got both of these for 250 rupees. And then, since they had other leather products as well here and there, I laid my hands onto this floral belt, which was only for 50 rupees, okay? So, okay, I didn't like the belt all that much. There's nothing to dislike about the belt, but there was not a lot of variety, but the fact that it was only for 50 rupees, I had to get it. Okay, now coming to the last street in South Bombay, wherein you can lay your hands on something exciting, is the Abdul Rahman Street. And there's this one specific shop where you will get everything you want, and everything is as beautiful as it can get, and the shop's name is Shah and Company. Okay, now the first thing that I laid my hands on is this nice little trinket box. Okay, so the box says London, but I specifically liked the red and blue combination. The color is really nice. Okay, so basically you can just open it and store some trinkets in it. It can carelessly lie on your dressing table or on your study table, and you can just dump random things in it. And this is for 295. It's a little more expensive than all the other things that I got, but I had to get it. And the next thing that I bought is this black bow pouch, The material of this pouch is akin to the material of the Ted Baker bags. Now this pouch is really nice and spacious, and it also has another compartment inside it. So this pouch is for 295 rupees, which is again a tad bit too expensive as compared to all the other pouches. Then another pouch is this silver glitter pouch. I really like this emblem over here. It has a floral print inside, and you can actually store all your body lotions and moisturizers and face creams and all of that inside. Then I have this cute kiss pouch. It reminds me of the Forever 21 print, except for the fact that the material here is synthetic and the kiss pouches at Forever 21 are like more glossy. So even this is a really nice travel pouch wherein you can store all your toothpaste and all your dental items and anything, basically anything. All these pouches are multi-purpose. So yeah, so this glitter pouch is for 125 rupees and this pouch is for 150 rupees. Now another Paris obsession is this cute little pouch. I have not yet opened it, but I had seen the sample piece in the shop. It has Paris written on it, and it also has an Eiffel Tower, and it again has a really nice floral print. This is also for 150 rupees. And then this is another pink pouch. I really like this pink shade, and it says beautiful mood, and again this is equally spacious, and yeah, it has this tiny little mirror out here. So this is also a nice pouch, and this is for 175 rupees. Now the last two things. Now this is a floral spectacle case that I got for 150 rupees. I had seen the same one at Accessorize, and I think, if I am not wrong, it was for 625 rupees, and I got the same one for 150 rupees, so I am super happy. Now this is the last thing. So this is my passport cover. So it has the Statue of Liberty. But anyways, I really liked the postage stamp print that it has on it. It's really apt to be the passport cover, and this is for 195 rupees. So yes, that brings us to the end of the mini kitchen and lifestyle haul. So I hope you liked it, and I've also mentioned all the shops and all the streets in South Bombay from where you can get all these goodies. So if you found this video to be helpful, then don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and if you want to share it with all your other girlfriends, then don't forget to share it on all your social media. And yeah, if you are interested for more such videos, fun ideas, food recipes, review videos, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to get regular updates from my channel. Alright then, see you next time. Bye bye.